stepping stone. That's why common people like you and me will be builders for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, a shapeless mask, and a book of rules. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Just like common people like you and me, we'll be builders for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, a shapeless mask, and a book of rules. Look when the rain is falling from the sky, I know the sun will be missing only for a while. That's why common people like you and me will be builders for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, a shapeless mask, and a book of rules. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. That's why common people like you and me will be builders for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, a shapeless mask, and a book of rules.
Yeah? Okay, we're gonna make a bowl. This is the general purpose bowl here at the Pottery. I'm just gonna take a very direct approach to making, which can be scaled up quite easily. I'm throwing to a gauge to save us measuring time. Because the bowl has a curved wall, we're going to start with a curved ball of clay. Going to open it, just applying pressure down with the thumb. Compressing the base. We're going to start pulling our walls. We're going to pull them directly into a bowl shape. There's no up then out. We're just going to go directly into the bowl. Getting the weight out of the base and into the wall. Make sure you leave plenty of meat in the rim. We don't want rims that are prone to chipping. Take water out of it. Now we're going to address the outside. Just get rid of the throwing lines with the rib. Do the same thing to the inside. Going down and in, so we're keeping the compression of the base. A shoulder on the inside of the bowl. I'm going to address the rim with a piece of chamois leather, just to keep it nice and tidy. Because we're making on a bat, I'm going to make a little cut so it's nice and easy to get our wire under that later. Pop this off. And we'll do one more real quick. Open. Find just a little bit of pressure with the thumb. We're already heading into a bowl shape. Weight out of the base, but we've left enough room for a foot. And just bring it to the shape we're looking for. Compress the rim. Take the water out of the inside. Always down and in. We're always compressing. We'll address the outside just to give it a nice finish. This isn't going to require any trimming, so we just want to make sure it's got a bit of dance. At the inside, get rid of any marks. Too much slurry in. Down and in. I'll address the rim. And we'll undercut it. If you notice, I've left a little edge there where the foot will be. When this is cut off of the bat, it gives you a nice little thing to hold the bowl by and manage it. And we're taking them through the drying. Hello. Today we're going to talk about trimming bowls that we made in the last video. I'm going to take you through the finishing steps. So in the last video I talked about leaving a little edge on the bowl so that they're easier for handling. This is exactly when that comes in handy. I like to trim directly on the wheel head. It's always flat. Don't use pads. Tap center. Just use little wads of clay to secure the bowl so it doesn't slide around while I'm trimming. To make sure I have uniform feet, I use a set of calipers. Everything's been measured. When you're working in production or making a set for someone, it's nice to make sure that all of the bowls stack evenly. So I'll make a couple of small marks. This just gives me a guide to know where I'm trimming the foot to. And we'll start removing clay. Just taking off the little bit of excess from the throwing process. Following the interior line, making sure we've got nice even walls. Now start making our foot ring. I like to catch it when it's soft so that I can compress the foot as I go. Go ahead and take the inside of the foot ring out, leaving plenty of room. We can always make the foot ring smaller, but we can't make it bigger. Bits out of the way. And I can just tidy this up with my fingers. A little bit bigger tool. Just make sure I've got a nice line on the outside. That's all there is to it. I'm going to do another one. I think it's good, especially if you're a beginner, to see the repetition. So you can really start to understand the process. Next ball in there. Secure it. There we go. I like to leave a little edge on this foot so that I can handle the bowl later on. Makes it nice and easy to glaze that way, and also gives me a little catch if the glaze is fluid. We use a lot of wood ash glazes, so it's a nice little safety feature. So we've thrown the bowl. They've set up for about 2 days. Nice leather hard. We've turned the foot ring. Last thing we do is add our badge, which is just a little button of clay. And we'll put our mark on it. So just so you can see, after these have all set up and dried, obviously, we'll take them to the next stage, which is the glaze firing, but I thought I'd show you a finished product.